Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Valorant's client, open the lobby and click the gear to access settings. Once done, choose the General tab because that contains chat and communication toggles. You want to locate voice and text chat controls immediately. This speeds the process and avoids hunting through submenus. Make sure you're looking at the client settings, not OS audio settings, because the Censor is controlled by Valorant's chat filters, not your system preferences. Now you'll change the filter itself. Scroll to text chat and locate the profanity filter or chat censor toggle. Turn it off to stop automatic masking of words. The reason is that Valorant applies client-side moderation to reduce toxicity by default. Once you flip the switch, click Apply or Save if required, then open a practice match or party to send a test message. This verifies the change and shows whether the censor was client-side or server-enforced. Finish by restarting Valorant so settings fully take effect. Sometimes the client needs a relaunch to load new chat rules. If you still see masked words, make sure parental controls or account-level safety settings aren't enforced, and verify your region doesn't apply extra moderation. If problems persist, capture a short video or logs and contact Riot support. Explain the steps you took and include timestamps. That helps them identify server-side enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.